Do you know any other Visayan heroes aside from Lapu-Lapu? Kay diha man nakasagari maputol ang story. The truth is, we weren't just warriors. We were a force. We were united. We were ruthless when needed. Si Francisco Dagohoy, do you know him? He led the longest revolt in Philippine history. That's 85 years. Kay nay usa ka pare ni balibad nga tagaan og lubong nga sakto iyang manghod. And Dagohoy didn't just let that go. He even built a mountain state in Bohol. Even the Spaniards, mga kalahi nato, avoided his territory. And his rebellion outlived him by 2 generations. Now, imagine how influential you had to be that your grandson fought in the same cause that you were in. Naapod si Teresa Magbanwa, katong Ilongga, nga nanghuman sa UST. She led her own troops in battle. Naagi niya tanan, mga Spaniards, mga Japanese, mga American, na sinati na niya na tanan. Hantod sa pagkatiguang niya, she resorted to sell her things to help anti-Japanese movements inside the Philippines. And she wasn't just your typical woman freedom fighter. She was strategic. She was symbolic. She knew how to fight. We were also once raiders. We dominated coastline, stormed Spanish ports. We were unstoppable before. Even the colonizers documented it. I mean, we were feared at that time. Not because of one man, but because of how we were feared as a collective. Like, unsa ta ka madiskarte sa unang panahon. So why are we, alongside these other names that we haven't heard, rarely get mentioned in history books? Simple, because the ones who were writing history weren't too eager to highlight the ones who resisted best. And that's us, mga Bisaya ba? So when Manila became the center and colonialization took place, some voices were starting to fade. But here's the thing, we were never quiet, we were just unwritten. I didn't grow up learning this, gi-research rin ako karon, but now that I know, you should too.